Another box from Fabless Manufacturing right there. Worry less and drive more. What do we got here? I know I spoke to Pete from Fabless, and let's see what he got for me. Alright, first off, packing slip. And whoa, look at that. Handwritten letter by Pete. Thanks, Albus. And then I get his little cool card. I like this. This is really cool. Feels very personal. I love that. I love that with small companies because they know who their customers are. And it looks like they actually care about their customers. You'd be surprised on what like these bigwig companies, you know, just don't care anymore. They just, oh yeah, we can push boxes, but their customers don't come back. Just buy what they need and that's it. I'm gonna keep coming back. And I get stickers. Oh man, I know what's going on in my toolbox and on my Mark II. Freaking cool. Thank you. Alright, so I ordered a couple, well, 2 pieces. Number 1, this is the VR6 core support mounts. So, since I use a 16 valve radiator, Pete made a point, since I'm going to be running a bigger turbo, I'm going to end up needing more cooling, so I'm going to use a VR6 radiator from a Mark III. And what's really cool, they give you little, they give you bushings, hardware. Let me take this out of here. Grommets. That's pretty cool. And this is an adjustable mount, so that way you can actually get your VR6 radiator actually to fit beautifully in there. In your Mark II. And then he got me a special treat. I'm pretty, man, they love their packing. I love this. The padding on this is just awesome. Oh, that's dope. I'm already like, oh, 1.8T. Hold on, guys. Let me put you down here for a moment. All right. That's dope. So this is like the front support where your grill goes, or core support, I guess you want to call it. Well, that's freaking dope, guys. I freaking love this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And DIYs are actually coming this weekend. So I won't be posting them, but I will be making them. So be excited, guys, because we're going to have some really cool stuff coming. And this Mark II 1.8T with the Fabless Manufacturing parts are amazing. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can't wait to start getting all this installed. Just FYI, not being sponsored by them. I'm paying full pop for these parts. So when you guys go to the website, you guys know what to get and what to watch. You know, you're not going to be like, oh, how much did it cost? Hit up the website. It's all there on the website, guys. Thanks again, Pete, and everybody from Fabless Manufacturing for providing awesome support on your products and making some really one-of-a-kind stuff. Thanks again, and I can't wait to see you guys. I can't wait to see the parts on my Mark II and do the DIY so you guys can see how it's done.